Welcome to Engineering Math Support. In this video, I solved some more problems on how to find trigonometric functions of any angle, and I have quoted some applications related to trigonometry, and I made some observations in the formula of trigonometric functions. It is easy to remember the upcoming formulas. Let's move on to the video. Now we are going to see some more problems in finding trigonometric functions of some angles. I am going to consider sine 180 degree. Sine 180 degree can be written as sine of 2 into 90 plus theta, that is plus 0 or minus 0 also we can take. So if you compare this, here your n value is 2 and your theta value is 0. So when n value is even, so no need to change the trigonometric. So sine can be written as in the form of sine. So therefore, your sine 180 degree can be written as sine of 0. So now we are going to check symbol for this. So for that, so 180 plus theta, where it lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan only positive, but you are given sine form, so therefore your sine is negative, so minus sine 0. So finally we will have sine 0 is 0, so the value of sine 180 is 0. Now I'm going to find sine of 270 degree. This can be written as sine of 3 into 90 plus 0 degree. Here n value is 3, that is odd number, and your theta value is 0 here. So n is odd, we have to change the trigonometric sine to cos. So therefore your sine 270 degree can be written as cos 0. Now we are going to write the symbol for it. So here 270 plus I have considered. So 270 plus theta is lies in here, fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant cos is positive, but we are given sine 270. So therefore it is negative. So sine of 270 degree is equal to minus 1 is the value. The same way I am going to find cos of 180 degree. For your understanding, I am going to do it in the form of negative now. Here I am going to write cos of 2 into 90 degree plus we can write, but I am going to make here minus 0 degree. If you subtract this also, you are getting same 180 degree. So now here n is equal to 2, that is even. Even means no change in the trigonometric. Cos can be written as cos only, and your theta value given as 0 here. So therefore your cos 180 degree can be written as cos 0. So now we are taken in the form of 180 minus. 180 minus means it lies in second quadrant. So therefore in second quadrant sine only positive, but we are given cos 180 degree. So therefore it is negative symbol. So minus. So we will get cos 0 value is 1. So therefore it is minus 1. So cos of 180 degree equal to minus 1 is the value. Again I am going to find cos of 270 degree now. Same way I am going to write cos of 3 into 90 degree minus 0 you write or plus 0 you write. I am going to write now minus 0. Here n value is 3. 3 means it is odd number, and your theta value is 0. So odd means we have to change the trigonometric from cos into sine. So your cos 270 degree can be written as sine 0. So now it lies in which quadrant we have to check. So we have taken 270 minus theta I have considered. So 270 is here. Minus theta lies in what? Third quadrant. So therefore in third quadrant tan only positive. But we are given cos 270. So it is negative. Anyway sine 0 is 0. So therefore our cos 270 degree value is 0. The same way I'm going to find tan of 180 degree. Tan of 180 degree can be written as tan of 2 into 90 degree. You can write plus 0 or minus 0. I can write now plus 0 I can write. Here n is 2, that is even. So even means no need to change the trigonometric. Tan can be written in the form of tan only. So therefore our tan 180 degree equal to, can write tan 0 because here your theta value is 0. So now we have to check what is the symbol. So for that tan 180 plus 0 I have taken. So tan 180 plus means it lies in what? This third quadrant. So third quadrant, if you observe tan only positive, we are given in the form of tan only, that is tan 180 degree. So therefore it is positive. So but tan 0 is 0. So your value of 180 degrees 0. Now I'm going to find tan of 270 degree. So here I can write this as tan of 3 into 90 degree minus 0 I can take now. So here n value is 3, that is odd, and your theta value is 0. N is odd, so we have to change the trigonometric tan to cot. Therefore your tan 270 degree can be written as cot 0. We have to check the symbol now. Here I have considered 270 minus 0. 270 minus 0 means it lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan is positive. Given value is tan 270 only. So therefore it is positive. So cot 0 is, if you don't know cot 0, you just remember cot 0 equal to 1 by tan 0. That is 1 by tan 0 is 0. So therefore 1 by 0 is infinity. So tan 270 degree is infinity. Now we found sine 180 is 0, sine 270 is minus 1, and cos 180 is minus 1, cos 270 is 0, tan 180 is 0, tan 270 is infinity. So using this we can easily find your cot of 180. Cot of 180 is nothing but 1 by tan 180 using reciprocal ratio. We know that tan 180 is 0. So therefore 1 by 0 is infinity. The same way we can write 1 by infinity for the 270 degree. So cot 270 equal to 1 by tan 270. Tan 270 is infinity. So 1 by infinity is 0. Similarly, cosecant can be written as, already we have seen, cosecant can be written as 1 by sine. So therefore here 1 by sine 180 is 0. So 1 by 0 is infinity, and Here 1 by minus 1 is minus 1, and here secant can be written as 1 by cos theta. So secant 180 is 1 by cos 180. Cos 180 is minus 1. So 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. And then cos 270. Secant 270 we have to find. Or secant 270, 1 by cos 270. 1 by cos 270 is 0. So anything by 0 is infinity. Using the allied angle concept, we can find all the other angles. Now I am going to find other than this 270 degrees also. For example, I am going to find tan of 405. So how can you write this? Tan of 405 can be written as tan of 360 plus 45 degree. So this 360 can be written as tan of 4 into 90 degree we can write plus 45 degree. Here n equal to 4, that is even, and your theta value is 45 degree. So n is even, so you should not change the trigonometric. So tan can be converted into tan only. So tan of 405 degree equal to tan 45. So now we are going to decide the symbol. How to decide the symbol? We have to check where the 405 lies. That we have to check first. So 405 lies where it is 360. We know 360 plus 90, if you put, that is 450. Similarly, 450 plus 90, if you put, it is 540. If you add 90 with 540, you will get 630. If you add 90 with 630, you will get 720. So like this we can increase the quadrant values. Now we can check where the 405 lies. The 405 lies in the first quadrant. Here it lies. So in first quadrant all the terms are positive. So therefore it is positive. So we know that what is tan 45? Tan 45 was 1. So your answer for this, tan of 405 degree equal to plus 1 is the value. Suppose if I consider secant of 240, how we can write this? Secant of, we can write 180 plus 60 degree we can write. This 180 can be written as 2 into 90 degree plus 60 degree. Here the n value is 2, that is even number, and theta is 60 degree. So n is even, no need to change the trigonometric. Secant can be written in the form of secant only. So therefore, where secant of 240 can be written as secant 60 degree. So now I'm going to check where it lies. So 240 lies in the third quadrant. Here the value 240 lies. It is in the third quadrant. Third quadrant, which one is positive? Tan only positive. But we got here secant, so it is negative. So therefore secant 240 equal to minus secant 60 degree. So we know that minus of secant 60 is 2. So therefore we'll get minus 2. If you are unable to recall the secant 60, you can write the secant 60 as 1 by cos 60. You can easily remember what is cos 60. That is 1 by 2. Therefore, this 2 goes to the numerator, we'll get minus 2. So secant of 240 degrees minus 2. So like this, we can find any angle of a trigonometric function. We can find any angle of a trigonometric function. Now we are going to see about applications of trigonometry. Many students will have the doubt why we need all these concepts. What is the use of learning trigonometry? So now I'm going to quote some few applications of trigonometry theoretically. First one, the trigonometric concept is used in astronomy. In modern times, the technique of triangulation is used in astronomy to measure the distance to nearby stars as well as in satellite navigation systems. The next application is surveying. In surveying the land, we are using this concept. It is used in the calculation of lengths, areas, relative angles between objects. The third application, acoustics and optics. This is nothing but physics. We are applying trigonometric concept in physics. In these areas, they are used to describe sound and light waves and to solve boundary and transmission related problems. So sine and cos and all in the form of waves. So we can use this concept in physics to find or to solve the problems related to transmission. And other applications are music theory, we can apply geodesy, audio synthesis, architecture, electronics, biology, medical imaging like CT scan and ultrasound scan, chemistry, meteorology, oceanography, image compression, phonetics, economics, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, computer graphics, and game development. All these areas also we are using this trigonometric concept. Observations in trigonometric formula. We know that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1. Tan squared theta plus 1 equal to secant squared theta. 1 plus cot squared theta equal to cosecant squared theta. So if you observe this, we will come to a conclusion. Sine and cos are the combination terms. Similarly, tan and secant are the combination terms. Similarly, if you take this third identity, you will get cot and cosecant are the combination terms. This we should remember. Similarly, if you take maximum of sine formulas, you will get minus in the formulas. So here also you will get minus and here also minus. So therefore, we should remember these combinations. Sine means cos will be the combination. Tan means secant will be the combination. Cot means cosecant will be the combination. Sine formulas maximum consists of minus symbol. I hope you learned the trigonometric functions of any angles concept well. As well, you come to know why we are learned this trigonometric and what is the use of trigonometric. Trigonometric concept is a very vast area. I didn't go deep into that. So these concepts are sufficient to learn the engineering mathematics. See you again with new concept. Thank you.